What I need now is your attention. What I need now is your undivided attention. Let nothing distract you, please. As we continue, this is part 2. As we continue our Expo question, expected question, past question, expected questions on physics. As a JAMB science candidate, you cannot joke with physics. You cannot play with physics. Since we are writing physics in your exam, you need to pay attention as we begin to review possible questions to expect, right? These questions, watching the videos I've done on physics and some other subjects, the more you watch it, the greater your chance of scoring 300 and above in your JAMB. This is our target, which I want you to claim. 300 and above in your JAMB. I don't want you to joke around. I am bringing out my time to do these videos for you. So give me your attention. Let us continue. We are continuing from where we stopped. In part 1, we stopped in question 20. So let us continue from question 20 and move ahead, right? Which of the following has the lowest internal resistance when new? Which of the following has the lowest internal resistance when new? A. Launch cell. B. Daniel cell. I hope you can see my screen. C. Touch battery. D. Accumulator. The answer actually is D. Accumulator. Let's look at question 21. Now I want you to pay attention. The pitch of an acoustic device can be increased by dash. Don't just jump or don't just pretend as if you know the meaning of an acoustic device. I want you to go and make a research. Come on, that is the first assignment I'm giving you. Come under this video and tell me the meaning of acoustic device. This should be under sound. Okay, the pitch of an acoustic device that is sound wave. The pitch of an acoustic device can be increased by A, decreasing the loudness. B, increasing the amplitude. C is what? C, increasing the frequency. D, decreasing the frequency. The pitch, the answer is C, increasing the frequency. Okay, follow me as we look at question 22. Remember, I don't want you to rush this video. I want you to be reading them gradually, watching it gradually, right? And also preparing on your own, okay? One of the features of the fission process, you know, in chemistry, in physics, there is fusion and there is fission. Now, the second assignment for you, I want you to come under the comment of this video and tell me the difference between fission and fusion. Fission and fusion, okay? One of the features of the fission process, A, is it leads to chain reaction. B, it produces, its products are not radioactive. C, neutrons are not released. D, the sum of the masses of the reactants equal the sum of the masses of the product. Remember, the question is, one of the features of the fission process is dash. The answer actually for 22 is A. It leads to chain reaction. One of the features of fission reaction is that process, it leads to chain reaction. Recall also that the fact that I give you these questions, Expo questions, that I drop videos for you every day, doesn't mean you should not be reading. Oh, I've told you that there will be time for party, there will be time for moving around, there will be time to travel and enjoy. Right now is what? Preparation o'clock. This time is the time for you to lock yourself and read, study, so that you can make me proud. Study so that you can be among those that will come with me and tell me you have 300, you scored at least 300. So that you can be among those that will come and tell me, oh, I actually got admission. I want you to be among those that will come back to me with testimony. So study. I will do my own part by giving you daily dosage of videos. I also, at the end of this video, if you watch till the end, I'm also going to give you extra gift. That is, I will give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question on use of English, on physics, and the other subjects we'll be writing. Do you understand? I'll give them to you free of charge. I can also give you access to all the videos we've done I've done over 40 videos on Lekki Headmaster. I've done several videos on use of English, several videos on physics, on chemistry, on biology, on economics, and all these other subjects. So anyone you need, just tell me the name of the subject and tell me to give you the link to the videos we have done. Ensure you mention the subject and tell me to give you the link. I can also give it to you free of charge if you watch this particular video to the end. The time rate of loss of heat by a body is proportional to the dash. The time rate of loss of heat by a body is proportional to the dash. This is question 28. Okay. A. Temperature of its surrounding. B. Temperature of the body. C. Difference in temperature between the body and its surrounding. D. Ration of the temperature of the body to that of its surrounding. The answer actually is C. Difference in temperature between the body and its surrounding. Okay. Now let's look at question number 30. Remember, we are looking at objective questions, not the theory aspect now. Objective questions. That is what we are looking at. I will still do other videos on the theory, on the calculation aspect, but JAMB often asks a lot. Can you imagine? Out of 40 questions in this year, they ask more than 20 questions that are not involving calculations. Electrical appliances in home are normally heated. Electrical, most time in electric wiring, they often put a wire and bury it in the ground. You must have noticed. Have you noticed it? It could also be in your house. Why? Electrical appliances in homes are normally heated so that dash. A person touching the appliance is safe from electric shock. B. Both the AC and DC sources can be used. C. The appliances are maintained at a higher PD than the earth. D. The appliances are maintained at a lower PD than the earth. The answer actually is A. A person touching the appliances is safe from electric shock. That helps to prevent electric shock. Okay. Now let's look at question 31. Question 31. The process whereby a liquid turns spontaneously into vapor. The process whereby a liquid turns spontaneously into vapor is called dash. A. Regelation. Okay. B. Evaporation. C. Boiling. D. Sublimation. If a liquid moves to gaseous state, it is evaporation. That is the answer B. But if a solid moves directly to gas, what is it called? That is third assignment for you. If a solid like camphor moves directly from solid state to gas, what is it called? Okay. Let's look at question 33. Are you with me? I hope you are following this video. At the end of this video, ask me and I will give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past questions. That is if you watch to the end of this video. The differences observed in solids, liquids and gases may be accounted for by dash. The differences observed in solids, liquids and gases may be accounted for by dash. A. Their relative masses. B. Their melting points. C. The spaces and forces acting between the molecules. D. The different molecules in each of them. The answer is C. The answer is C. The spaces. Gases has more spaces between the molecules that make it up. Liquid has spaces also, but solid has more compact. The molecules in solid are more compact. Okay. Now let's look at question 34. Are you with me? Let's look at question 34. Recall, like I will always emphasize, I will do my best in giving you these videos, but then you must do your best in study. You must read like never before. Read like never before. Get textbooks, get past questions, which I will give you. Get materials, bury yourself in your books. Read. By the time you score 300 and above, you can party. You can go and enjoy yourself. You can lick ice cream. We will party together, self. You can invite me. We will enjoy. But right now, we have to sit down and study. We have to do what? Sit down and study like never before. So no joking. Any friend that is making you to play around, please cut it off. Any social media platform that is deceiving you, cut it off. Convex mirrors are used as driving mirrors because images formed are dash. Question 34. We have concave and convex mirrors. Convex mirrors are used as driving mirrors. Why? Okay, let's look at the options. Option A, because they are erect, visual, and diminished. Erect, real, and diminished. Erect, virtual, and magnified. The inverted, virtual, and diminished. The answer is A. Erect, virtual, and diminished. Erect, virtual, and diminished. Question 30. Okay. Question 30. What question were we answering? Question 34. We have answered question 34, right? So let's look at question 35. I hope you are following. By the way, are there other videos? What are the other kind of videos you want me to make that could help you? You can also tell me, indicate the kind of video you want me to make that you need, or you want me to make more of this kind of video. Let me know so that I can. My goal is for you to 300 and above. That is my goal. That is what will make me happy. Okay. 35. Musical instruments playing the same notes can be distinguished from one another owing to the differences in their dash. Musical instruments playing the same note can be distinguished from one another owing to the differences in their dash. A. Quality. B. Pitch. C. Intensity. D. Loudness. What is the answer? The answer is differences in the pitch. Okay, differences in the pitch. Let's look at question 37. Question what? 37. Okay, pay attention. Oh, let nothing distract you. Just give me your ears. In our homes, electrical appliances and lamps are connected in parallel. In homes, electrical appliances and lamps are connected in parallel because A. Less current will be used. B. Less voltage will be used. C. Parallel connection does not heat up the wires. C. Series connection uses high voltage. The answer actually is D. See, we have parallel connection, and these are the things I need you to focus on as you study. Some people keep telling me calculations subjects are difficult. They have been reading and then don't understand. Just keep doing your best. Keep reading, right? Series connection uses high voltage. What did I say? Keep reading, and remember to have a working timetable. If you don't have and you want me to help you craft a timetable, let me know. You need to sit down, right? The more you read, the greater your chances of passing. So it is more. Don't be afraid. Fear not. Don't fear the subject. Keep coming back. Even if you read and don't understand, come back again, read until you understand. Do you get me? Now, also, this video you are watching, this is just part 2. We have done several parts. So I want you to watch other videos we've done on physics. If you need me to give you a link to all the videos we've done on physics, let me know. And any other subject, you let me know. Now, for you to get free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past questions, there are just 4 things you have to do. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1 is join our YouTube channel. Join our YouTube channel. You can see an option on our channel to join. Click on join, fill the options and join. Number 2, like this video. Very important. Like this video, then share this video. How do you share? Just click on share it on YouTube. Click on share, copy the link, share the link on the Telegram channels you belong to, on the WhatsApp channels you belong to, on Facebook, on X, all the platforms, all the groups where JAMB candidates are, to all your friends. Share this video to them. Then when you join, when you like, when you share, then most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to Noble Tutorial. Just click on subscribe. turn on the notification bell to subscribe. When you have done these things, when you have joined, like, shared and subscribed, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send all the materials, all those materials free to you. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. I want you to click on it and watch it now.